Hey, it's Clay Trader, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol EKSO. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So while this here may look like several days worth of time, it's actually today's price action broken down into 30-minute time slices. I like you this time frame. I think that's a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price, and makes mapping out in this situation a very logical question, quite straightforward. So to better illustrate this, what I'm going to do is just zoom in here because it's a very valid question and a very good question. And that question has to do with the fact that today the price made a really, really nice move. So we're definitely talking much shorter term here. But when I say nice move, when you consider where the price ultimately was at one point during the low and then where it finally finished up there, the price bounced very nicely and overall had a very, very good day. Day, one word. So like I said, that's why I'm saying this is definitely a short-term view. So this short-term question now becomes, but is there any sort of true power behind this price movement? There's no doubt about it. Today was solid, but what about longer lasting power? Is there any sort of genuine power behind it? I have no idea, but like I said, by using charts, we can make answering that question very straightforward. In my mind, it all revolves around a single area, and that area is right here at, let's see, what is that? $2, let's just give a little wiggle room, $2.90. Why is $2.90 so important? Well, hopefully we can all agree on the logic that price movements with true power, with genuine strength, the price is going to progress forward. The price is not going to go back to where it was. I'm assuming you're saying, hey, thanks, Captain Obvious. Of course, if a price movement is truly powerful, it's not going to go back to where it was. That would be a contradiction. Exactly. So with that in mind, think about $2.90. Any sort of closes below it, or worse yet, if the price separates to the downside, what would that be doing to the price? That would literally be putting the price right back inside of that range right there that it just broke out of. Again, going back, not a sign of true strength. Whereas let's say the price pulls back a little bit more. Not saying this will happen, but let's just pretend for example's sake, and then behaves in that manner before starting to head it back up. What would you have in this situation? Well, you'd have a set of lows right here. You'd have that set of low right there. If you picture these as stair steps, well, hey, now you have stair steps making progress in the upwards direction. And that's the name of the game. That's what a truly strong move is going to do over time. It's going to make progress forward. And in this situation, I'm defining and quantifying, quote unquote, make progress forward as $2.90. As far as levels of resistance are concerned, at this point, it's all about the purple line up there, which is the 50-period simple moving average. But in my opinion, top priority right now is not necessarily breaking levels of resistance. Top priority is going through a healthy consolidation and building a higher base, because as long as higher bases are being built over time, the overall chart will take care of itself, which includes breaking areas of resistance. So focus on building that higher stair step, and again, that higher stair step being defined as 290. The week is young, still 4 days left, so let's see what the bulls have in store. One of the biggest questions that I get is, hey Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together a free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then click on the image that is up on the screen right now and I will email you the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point, and best part, it's completely free. Thanks for watching the video. Let me know if you have any questions.